This right here is what we call Welcome to Miami. But tonight, we just gonna call it Fiesta. Cause I don't wanna care where you are or what you doing. If you in a club tonight and you wanna party, I wanna see you get crazy. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, it's a party. I'm gonna change the world. A party with the hottest girls. I'm looking for a model chick about 5'10" with her hair and curls, and a body like Beyonce to put it on me while she's shaking it right, making me sweat every step of the way. So I know where I'll be by the end of the night. Like, we get sexy, cause the sex with me is like a recipe. So I'm scraping a plate in the fresh kind of spangles in the my hot club. I'm like royalty. She's spoiling me up in San Tropez to keep